This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Medina. Beautiful 3-bedroom home now available in Mission Glen. Home features a high ceiling, open floor plan. This home has just been remodeled and has fresh paint. Home has high ceiling and living room which connects to dining room and kitchen. Home features huge windows throughout the house for plenty of natural light. The master bedroom is spacious with French doors going into the large bathroom suite with walk-in closet. This home is absolutely stunning as great care was taken during the remodel. The home is located on a large lot so the backyard is huge. For more information, review the details below or contact Medina at 713-884-0502.